pretty husband. Haters and fakers that being hunted, listening to Ella and Louis C. These are a few of my favorite things. Watching the faces when one of my tune drops, having those raves with none of them pick up, staying in feet while having them fried wings. These are a few of my favorite things. When they mock me, try to stop me, and I'm feeling sad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so.
Your paintings on the tomb, they do the sand dance, don't you know? If they move too quick, they're falling down like a domino. All the buzz on men by the Nile, they got the money on a bet. All crocodiles, they snap their teeth on your cigarette. Foreign types at the hookah pipe say, walk like an Egyptian. The blonde waitresses take their trays, spin around and they cross the floor. They've got the moves. You drop your drink, then they bring you more. All the school kids so sick of books, they like the punk and the metal band. When the buzzer rings, they're walking like an Egyptian. All the kids in the marketplace say, walk like an Egyptian.